Have you ever caught yourself hiding your skin? Long sleeves, extra makeup, angles that avoid the mirror? Scars tell stories. Stories of acne, injuries, surgeries, burns, or wounds. And while every scar is a part of your journey, not everyone wants to relive those memories every time they look at their skin. The truth is, scars don't disappear overnight. There is no magic fix, no instant solution. But with the right natural approach, scars can fade, soften, and become far less noticeable over time. In today's video, we're sharing safe, natural, and science-supported ways to reduce scars at home without harsh chemicals, painful procedures, or expensive treatments. Make sure you stay till the end because when it comes to scars, consistency matters more than the remedy itself. And if you value trusted health and skincare tips explained simply, don't forget to subscribe. Important note: please listen carefully. Natural remedies work best on new or mild scars. Deep scars, keloids, or major surgical scars may need medical treatment. And always, always do a patch test before applying anything to your skin. Your skin deserves gentle care, not experiments. 1. Aloe vera, nature's skin healer. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for wound healing and skin repair, and for good reason. Why aloe works: stimulates collagen production, reduces inflammation, improves skin elasticity. Aloe helps scars fade by encouraging new skin cell growth while calming irritated tissue. How to use it: apply fresh aloe gel directly to the scar. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on overnight. Use daily for best results. Fresh aloe from the plant works best, but pure aloe gel is also effective. 2. Coconut oil, deep skin nourishment. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, making it excellent for skin repair. Benefits include: keeps skin deeply moisturized, prevents scar tissue from hardening, improves overall skin texture. Dry, tight scars respond especially well to coconut oil. How to use: warm a few drops between your fingers. Massage into the scar for 5 minutes. Use twice daily. This works best for post-injury healing and dry scars. 3. Lemon juice, natural skin lightener. Lemon juice contains vitamin C and natural acids that help lighten pigmentation. Why it helps: reduces dark scars, promotes skin renewal. How to use carefully: apply fresh lemon juice with cotton. Leave on for 10 minutes only. Rinse thoroughly. Avoid sun exposure after use. Not suitable for sensitive skin. If irritation occurs, stop immediately. 4. Honey, a natural scar softener. Honey is a powerful natural antibacterial and humectant. Benefits: keeps scars hydrated, reduces inflammation, supports tissue regeneration. How to use: apply raw honey directly to the scar. Cover with a bandage, leave overnight. Use daily over time. Honey helps scars feel smoother and look healthier. 5. Onion extract, clinically proven support. Onion extract is one of the few natural remedies backed by clinical research. Why it works: reduces excess collagen buildup, softens raised scars, decreases redness. This is why many commercial scar gels contain onion extract. How to use: apply onion-based scar gel once daily. Massage. Gently avoid using raw onion, especially on sensitive skin. 6. Apple cider vinegar, gentle exfoliation. Apple cider vinegar helps remove dead skin cells and encourages new skin growth. How to use safely: mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water. Apply with cotton rinse after 5 minutes. Use only 2 to 3 times per week. Overuse can irritate the skin. 7. Rosehip oil, skin regeneration. Booster rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A and essential fatty acids. Benefits include: improves skin texture, reduces pigmentation, boosts collagen production. Studies show rosehip oil can improve post-surgical scars. How to use: massage a few drops into the scar daily, best used at night. 8. Baking soda, texture smoother. Baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant. How to use: mix with water to form a paste. Gently massage for 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Use once a week only. Not suitable for sensitive skin. 9. Vitamin E oil, skin repair support. Vitamin E helps support skin healing and moisture retention. How to use: apply directly to the scar. Massage gently. Some people may react to vitamin E. Always patch test first. 10. Proper massage, often overlooked but powerful. Scar massage improves blood flow and helps break down hardened scar tissue. Best practice: use circular motions. Massage for 5 minutes. Combine with oil or gel. Consistency is what makes massage effective. 11. Turmeric, natural anti-inflammatory power. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for centuries for its healing properties. Why it helps? Reduces inflammation, helps even out skin tone, supports wound healing. Turmeric may help scars look lighter and calmer over time. How to use: mix turmeric powder with honey or milk to make a paste. Apply to the scar. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse gently, may temporarily stain the skin. Use sparingly. 12. Castor oil, scar softening. Remedy castor oil is thick, deeply nourishing, and rich in fatty acids. Benefits: softens hard. Scar tissue improves skin flexibility, keeps scars moisturized. How to use: apply a few drops to the scar massage gently for 5 minutes. Use daily, preferably at night. This works especially well for older scars. 13. Green tea. Extract, antioxidant protection. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that protect and repair skin. Why it helps: reduces redness, supports collagen balance, protects skin from damage. How to use: brew green tea and let it cool. Apply with cotton or use green tea. Extract gel. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Gentle and suitable for most skin types. 14. Shea butter. Deep moisture for healing. Skin. Shea butter is packed with vitamins A and E. Benefits: deeply moisturizes scars, improves skin elasticity, helps reduce tightness and dryness. How to use: warm. A small amount between your hands. Massage into the scar. Use twice daily. Best for scars that feel tight or itchy. 15. Zinc-rich care, supporting healing from within. Zinc plays a key role in skin repair and wound healing. Why it matters: supports tissue regeneration, helps reduce inflammation, aids collagen production. How to support zinc naturally: eat zinc-rich foods like nuts, seeds, beans, and whole grains. Use zinc-based creams if recommended. Healthy skin starts from the inside. Lifestyle tips that speed up. Scar healing. Healing doesn't happen only on the surface. Support your skin from the inside. Drink enough water. Eat vitamin C-rich foods. Avoid picking scars. Protect scars from sun exposure. Sun damage can darken scars permanently. When to see a doctor: consult a dermatologist if the scar becomes painful, the scar grows larger, you develop keloids, natural remedies have limits, and professional care matters. Scars fade with patience, not shortcuts. Choose gentle care. Stay consistent. Treat your skin kindly. Your skin remembers how you treat it. Which remedy are you planning to try first? Share in the comments. If this helped you, hit like so others can learn natural skin healing too. And subscribe for more natural health and skin solutions.